Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing a little quick clip of my coffee bar slash cocoa station slash candy station. It's a lot of different slashes, y'all. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I have, then y'all stay tuned. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and get right into this video. But first, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the Brown Eyes family. I would love to have you. So let's start over here on the tier tray, better known to me as the tiara tray. Alright, we have the little Dollar Tree paper heart napkins down here at the bottom. I thought those were really cute, so I put those there. Moving on up here, we have the little fairy garden items that's from Dollar Tree, the little milkshakes and the little cupcake. I thought those would look really nice for Valentine's Day. And we have the little paper cups with the little hearts on, the pink and gold one and the red and gold one. Those are from Dollar Tree. Those are really cute. Then over here we have this mug that says "We love because he first loved us." 1 John 4:19. That came from Mighty Dollar for $1. All right, it has the pretty little hearts going around it, and it does have another side. I'll show y'all that momentarily. Then inside of that, we have these beautiful paper straws from Dollar Tree. We have hearts and chevron patterns. Really cute, y'all. Y'all see that? Ah, really cute. So back here, we have this cute little box that's holding up the little fairy garden items, which is right here. It says Ferris wheel and cotton candy. Those are from Dollar Tree. And so this little box right here is what hubby gave me last Valentine's Day, with some candies in there, some chocolates. So I just put that up there because I thought it was cute to go along with everything else. So that is this tier tray right here. Moving on over here in the middle, we have this lovely little stand, which I try to incorporate this in a lot of my decor. This is actually an 18-inch doll table. All right, when my girls used to play with the AG dolls and the Our Generation. So I just decided to use this for like a little stand. All right, keep the little memory alive. And on top, we have some more little fairy garden items, little cupcakes. Y'all see that? I thought these were really cute to have the little heart sprinkles in there. Really cute. We have the cake shop fairy garden item right there. Then we have the donut shop right there. Really nice for Valentine's Day, you guys. $1. Ah. Now, back here is the little M&Ms. I purchased a big thing from Sam's Club last week, I believe. And these are the Cupid mix, red, white, pink, okay? And so I set those on top of the little stand because we used those plain M&Ms to go in our popcorn for movie nights. As you can see, we've already about devoured those. Okay, those things is good, honey. I don't need nothing than one. But they are really good. So I set that over there, okay? And then right here with the little candies, the little Russell Stovers, I have this little jar, which is from Dollar Tree. I've had that for a while. So I just put the little strawberry Russell Stover candies in there as much as I could. All right. Down here, we have this little Cocoa Cafe little decor piece. I believe I got that from Target a few years ago. I always try to incorporate it for Christmas or Valentine's Day. I think it's really cute. Over here we have my little apothecary jar. Y'all see this? And it has lots of goodies in there. We have Twix and Snickers and Milky Ways and Hershey Kisses. I had just had Hershey Kisses in there, but they wasn't filling all the way up to the top with the size bag that I purchased. So I had to pour the big bag mixture of the Snickers bars and stuff like that in here with them so they could, you know, fill on up to the top. And I still have some left. But that's how that's looking right there. All right. See that? See that? Yeah. All right, so moving on. Down here, we have my little chalkboard from Dollar Tree. And I just put 13 on there with a little heart around it because today's the 13th. Tomorrow I'll put one with 14 on there. And I thought it was really nice for little countdowns. All right. Over here, We have my favorite little cup, which is the Golden Girls. I know they ain't got no business being over here because they ain't matching nothing, honey. But I love me some Golden Girls, and I got that from Walmart last year, okay? I'm probably going to change it out. Let me see. Probably going to change it out and put my little Starbucks cup over there. I don't know, shucks, child. Tomorrow's the 14th, so we probably gonna leave Blanche and them right on over there on the little coffee thing. Because I love my Golden Girls. So back here we have just the place where, let me see if I can, the place where we got our coffees and hot cocos and stuff of that nature back there on the little carousel. So that's pretty much how that is looking. So, oh, I forgot to show y'all this back here. So, this right here is the little wreath from Target Dollar Spot, X and O wreath right there. The X is like a light pink and the O is in red. So, yeah, that is how my little coffee bar slash candy bar slash cocoa bar, we just gonna call it a V-Day bar, okay? That's how my V-Day bar is looking. Too many slashes, child. That's how it's looking right there. You know, I try and decorate for my children. They like to see little things, and you know, when they still in that age, you know, it's a good thing to make little memories and show them how we decorate and stuff like that. Yeah, okay, because mommy went and go to the store and you that money on the daggum candy. You doing that, yeah. But no, seriously, I like to do little things like this for my children. Every time we have like a little special holiday or something to, you know, let them see that mommy decorates for them. Because it's all about them. For me, it's all about my children. Okay. So, yeah, I decorated for my children. All right, so let me turn y'all around so y'all can see the other side of this cup, okay? Okay, so y'all see that's a box, right? So that's the little box, okay? So here is the other side of the cup. It says you plus me. See that? And it has these pretty little hearts going around them also. I thought that was so pretty. And I've been had it for like a year, y'all. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. But I keep it on the other side because I like this side better. Okay, so that's why I turn it around that way. All right, you guys, that's basically it, honey. That's my little V-Day station right there. Nothing too fancy. I know a lot of people, they lavish their stations out, honey. Okay, they lavish them out. But, you know, I did it in love, so that's all that matters, okay? Made some colors pop together. That's all that matters. Children love it. That's all that matters. Makes mommy happy when the children come in here and smile and see the little decor pieces, okay? So, that is going to be it, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing this little V-Day station. I said, if I don't go and get on here and show y'all what my V-Day station look like, V-Day will be over. V-Day will be over with, y'all. It'll be so much going on. But anywho, I hope y'all enjoyed seeing it. Thank y'all so much for watching and support my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. Really, okay? I know I get on here a lot and I kind of clown and kid around with y'all, but you know, you got to do that. You know, it's so much going on in the world and you just don't want to be, you know, down all the time, okay? So I do things to keep myself from feeling down all the time, okay? Yeah, I like to have fun, okay? Yeah. All right, let me get off here, y'all. I'll talk your head off. I'll talk to y'all later. I hope y'all have a blessed and positive day and a great, I was about to say Thanksgiving, y'all. See, a great Valentine's Day with your loved ones, all right? Bye, y'all.